Okay, so in this box is something that I actually bought in the pandemic, during the pandemic, and I just happened to open it today. You would ask, why did it take so long? You know, sometimes I buy things and I just put them away, couldn't find the time, couldn't be bothered to open it until today. And it's been so long that I actually forgot what it actually was. So when I opened it, I realized that this is an electronic chess board. And look at that. What a beauty. You know, during the pandemic, I was looking for stuff to keep me occupied. And I happened to see this one here. And I bought this. This was one of the chess pieces that I actually bought. So, after I would say over 2 years now, I finally get to unbox this. And the packaging was good, it's decent. But let's see. And this is the box. It's decent, you know. And this is how it looks on the inside. So it came with this brush here. I'm not sure what that would be for. But there's the adapter. The warranty card. And here is the chessboard. Interesting. So the chess pieces are actually here. And it looks like it also comes with, like, I think this is checkers pieces. Okay, so this is plugged in. Now let's see if it turns on. I did hear something. Okay, I see some lights here. Okay, so it looks like I have all the pieces. And now I have to figure out actually how to play it. So let me read the manual. And I can see there's a manual that this came with. So let's check it out. But before I do that, I just want to give a special mention to this sort of a catalog that it came with. And it shows like different models of the games that I guess were available, different versions of it. It's quite nice actually. Okay, back to the manual. Okay, so I just figured it out. It's not too difficult to figure out. Basically, you turn it on. There's a switch right here. And when you do, this lights on to let you know that it's your turn. You get the first move. So to move, you just apply a little pressure. I want to move this to here. So I'm going to start with my start position, apply a little pressure, and a little pressure to the destination. And when I do that, now it's thinking, okay? So it lights up. It's these two are lighting up. It's telling me to move from here to here. So I'm gonna move from here to here. It's my turn now, okay? So I want to move this to here, like that. It's thinking, and it wants me to move from here to here. I really like how each square basically has its own light. So it's very easy to figure out. Sometimes for some other boards, the lights are only on the edges here. So in order to move, say, this piece, it would intersect. So it will light here and light there. But this one has a light on each individual square, so it makes it quite easy to figure out. Okay, I want to move this piece, so touch and touch. The touch itself is very nice and sensitive. It's not, you don't have to apply a lot of pressure. So it wants me to move this from here to here. This is a nice board. Very, very nice board. I really like how it feels, and something like this will keep me occupied for a long time because I love chess. I've been playing it since I was a kid.